The village of Pane Nae, or Jackfruit Hill, is situated 45 minutes from the town of Pyin Oo Lwin, a small village inhabited by the Shans and Danuk people, with 200 residents and 150 houses spread across the northern and southern regions. The village is known for its jackfruit trees, farming, agriculture, and handicrafts, all of which are exported to nearby towns and cities. Upon arrival, you will be greeted with a warm welcome and many curious villagers. After a delicious meal of traditional foods made from local ingredients, you will have the opportunity to take part in traditional activities around the town. These activities include traditional weaving and basket making, farming, buffalo riding, and relaxing amongst the beautiful plantations. You will also have the opportunity to participate in dancing and creating music using traditional instruments accompanied by the village people. After touring the village, the trek into the jungle began. Led by a group of village men, they cut a path and made their way into the unknown. Along the way, a stop was made at a clearing with 4 waterfalls for a quick swim to cool off and to eat some lunch. On this first day, you can expect some steep climbs up and down of natural rock formations. The 5-hour trip leads to a cave where the first night is spent. Many monkeys frequent this cave to drink from its waters. This cave is very large and will take around 2 hours to explore. Bathing in its natural pools is a rare and special experience. The second day offers a beautiful view of the Dotawari River from the top of a high hill before descending to the plains to observe the world's second largest teak trees. It takes around 4 hours to go up and down to this point, before 2 more trekking hours to camp on the river's bank. During the night, traditional singing, dancing, and music ensures enjoyment for all involved. On the morning of the third day, a 2-hour boat ride is made, displaying amazing scenery and views, much better than that offered at Inlay Lake. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience, a sneak peek into the lives of the beautiful people of Pane Nae. Their generosity and hospitality will make you feel at home, and you will leave with strong feelings of family, friendship, and the desire to explore the many hidden wonders that Myanmar has to offer. Thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you soon.